Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Start by auditing your codebase and assets to identify modules that need faster iteration. Create a clear branching strategy and use semantic versioning with build number increments. Standardize dependency versions and lock files to reduce surprises during builds. Maintain a staged environment that mirrors production for safe testing before release. Document update scope and rollback criteria so the team can act quickly. Assign ownership for each release area to reduce coordination delays and speed up decisions. Set up continuous integration to run automated builds and unit tests on each commit. Configure parallel runners to execute tests concurrently and reduce total pipeline time. Incorporate end-to-end tests and lightweight performance checks before creating distributable builds. Use incremental builds and caching for dependencies and compiled assets to cut build times significantly. Automate artifact signing and packaging so releases are consistent. Notify teams with build status and failure reasons to accelerate fixes and reduce idle time. Deploy updates using phased rollouts, starting at 5% and increasing to 100% if stable. Use feature flags to decouple code deployment from visible feature activation. Automate rollback triggers based on crash rate, error spikes, or install failure thresholds. Push builds to distribution channels with automated metadata and form 1099 where required for payments. Monitor key metrics like crash rate, latency, and install success after rollout. Collect user feedback and iterate in short cycles to keep.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.